Here is a physical analogy for the voltage rise and drop that occurs around a series circuit. So I've got a series circuit here, and I've got the battery, resistor 1, resistor 2, resistor 3, and then I've marked this as my ground level. Now, voltages are differences. They are potential differences. They're always compared from one point to another. You can't have, it's not like current where it's just how many electrons are going by per second, effectively. So we always need to compare voltages. So I'm going to have this baseline, my ground level, be listed here in black. So what I've done is I've created a Lego version of the circuit. So I've got a black ground. So everything is compared to this black ground. And then we can think about what each element does. So my first element is a battery. And I'm going to walk around the circuit this way. So what does a battery do? It provides voltage. It adds voltage to a circuit. So I have a 6-volt battery. And so from ground, I'm going to go up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So now my voltage is at plus 6 compared to my ground. Now what does the first bulb do? Well, bulbs, if we're going in the direction of the current, a bulb pulls away some of that energy. It reduces the voltage. Bulbs, if you're walking in the direction of the current, then the bulb provides a voltage drop. So this is going to drop us from 6 and it's going to go down to 3. So this counts as a 3 volt. There's 3 volts across this resistor. So bulb resistor, whichever you want to think about it. So after we go through the bulb or the resistor, we're down to 3 volts compared to ground. Another bulb or resistor, once we go through this one, it looks like it's taken away 1, and so now we're at 2 volts compared to ground. Our last bulb or resistor is going to take us down to ground, and we have to start and stop at the same voltage. So we have to come back down to ground. So here's the circuit, and here are the numbers that we just followed around. We start at ground level with the black. The battery pops us up to 6. That first bulb right there reduces us from 6 to 3, so it's a 3-volt drop. The second bulb reduces us from 3 to 2, so it's a 1-volt drop. And the third bulb reduces us from 2 back down to 0, our ground, so it is a 2-volt drop. So that's kind of a physical analogy. It might help some people to visualize the increase and decrease in voltages around a series circuit.